Do you crave authentic layered Thai flavors across the whole country? In just 12 amazing days, embark on this culinary journey through Thailand, where you'll taste exclusive local delicacies from the central, northern, and southern parts of the country. This trip is perfectly tailored for food lovers. You'll explore rare ingredients and discover profound local food culture. Every bite tells a local story, and every spice reflects the wisdom shaped by regional climates. This is just a sample of our signature itineraries. With Odynovo, your palate dictates the plan. Tell us what you love and any dietary restrictions you have, and we'll tailor a one-of-a-kind Thai food exploration tour just for you. Get your appetite ready. Savor Thailand with Odynovo. You've never tasted it before. Your culinary adventure kicks off in Bangkok, the heart of central Thai cuisine, where many beloved Thai dishes originated, renowned for delicate flavors infused with fragrant herbs and grains. Spend the first 4 days here to fully immerse yourself in the distinctive taste culture of central Thailand. After arrival, unwind over exquisite authentic Thai dishes while admiring the stunning city skyline from a stylish rooftop bar. The day begins at Thailand's most sacred landmark, the Grand Palace. Admire its stunning royal complex, then head straight to bustling flower and vegetable markets, the true paradise for food enthusiasts. With our local tour guide, you can identify exclusive Thai culinary spices and pick fresh, seasonal tropical fruits at incredibly affordable prices. These sweet, juicy fruits will recharge your energy in the hot weather. You can also stock up on assorted local snacks to savor leisurely on your upcoming river cruises. Now it's time to indulge in the highly anticipated local delicacies. Not sure where to find the most authentic Thai cuisine? With Odynovo, it's easy to find. At a local eatery, savor the iconic Thai specialty, Tom Yum Goong, whose hot, sour, and spicy taste perfectly suits Thailand's tropical, humid climate. The unique local herbs inside help refresh your body effectively. Mix your pad kra pao so each bite of rice is coated with holy basil, minced meat, chili, and egg. Finish with silky Thai milk tea and classic mango sticky rice, satisfying all your cravings for sweet and savory flavors. After lunch, hop on a long-tailed boat for a scenic river cruise. Enjoy the snacks you bought from the market as you sail slowly. Glide past stilted houses, feel the river breeze, and take in glimpses of tranquil neighborhood life. Keep an eye out, you might even spot a lizard along the riverbank. As night falls, explore Bangkok like a local on a tuk-tuk night food tour. Zip through bustling streets and narrow alleys, passing sizzling woks, specialty stalls, and countless street foods. Almost every Thai dish you can imagine is here, and even humble food carts can serve dishes with Michelin-level flavors. Stop for pad Thai, watch it being prepared fresh, and breathe in the irresistible aromas of authentic Thai cuisine. Your night ends perfectly, with Bangkok's vibrant flavors lingering on your palate. In the morning, make your way to the renowned Maeklong Railway Market. Catch the amazing sight of the train running straight through the market stalls. You can bargain with local vendors here and immerse yourself in lively local street vibes while tasting all kinds of authentic local snacks nearby. The unique market scene is just as fun as trying the flavorful street eats around you. Next, travel to the Amphawa Floating Market, a top favorite among food lovers across Thailand. It is filled with freshly grilled seafood, sweet coconut pancakes, and a wide range of classic riverside delicacies. Savor these mouth-watering treats leisurely as you glide past rows of bustling merchant boats for an incredibly memorable gourmet experience. Your last day in Bangkok is all yours. During your free time, wander around the streets to seek out hidden old-time food shops at your own pace. From savory snacks to lively street stalls, each bite offers a true taste of Thailand's vibrant culinary culture. For a memorable evening, consider an optional dinner cruise on the Chao Phraya River. Glide past the city's sparkling skyline and illuminated landmarks while enjoying a delicious Thai meal. Letting the gentle river breeze and shimmering river views create a truly magical experience. Leave Bangkok and fly to Chiang Mai, the ultimate hub of northern Thai cuisine, boasting time-honored Lanna food traditions. Upon arrival, sample authentic northern Thai dishes, hearty and full of original flavors. These delicacies have been passed down for generations, offering your first genuine taste of Lanna cuisine. Today offers an intimate glimpse into northern Thai life. Visit a welcoming Lanna family and wander through their organic garden, hand-picking herbs and vegetables for your cooking class. This is home-style Thai cooking at its best. Fresh ingredients, fragrant aromas, and recipes passed down through generations. Roll up your sleeves in the open-air kitchen and learn to prepare classic northern Thai dishes from scratch. Simmer a creamy curry broth to make a comforting bowl of Khao Soi, the undisputed signature dish of northern Thailand. Originating locally, this hearty noodle dish features mellow coconut curry broth and dual textures of soft noodles and crispy fried noodles. Its warm and full-bodied flavor fits perfectly with the cooler mountain climate in northern regions, standing as a time-honored delicacy rooted in ancient Lanna culinary culture. Pound green papaya with chilies and lime to make vibrant som tam, a widely loved snack across Thailand. After enjoying the lunch you've prepared yourself, visit Chiang Mai's ancient temples. Admire the towering old pagodas that have stood watch over the city for centuries and appreciate fine examples of Lanna architecture, known for its intricate wooden details and revered Buddha statues. The next morning, drive into the serene countryside of Chiang Mai to visit an ethical elephant sanctuary for a one-of-a-kind food-themed encounter. These lovely, gentle giants are big lovers of fresh, natural food. Under the guidance of professional keepers, you can combine fresh fruits and herbal ingredients to prepare exclusive healthy meals for the elephants. Get close to feed them, watch these gentle creatures enjoy their meals, and experience warm interactions between humans and nature in this special food-focused way. Hey dude, you're really enjoying it. After breakfast, leave the tranquil mountains of Chiang Mai and fly south to Phuket. As a renowned coastal island, it is an ideal destination for experiencing bold, seafood-oriented southern Thai cuisine. Upon arrival, slow down to embrace the island's laid-back pace, letting the warm ocean breeze welcome you to the next chapter of your journey. Watch the sun sink into the Andaman Sea and let the warm wind and gentle waves wash away travel fatigue. Today, wander through the colorful streets of Phuket Old Town, lined with pastel Sino-Portuguese buildings, to soak up local folk customs. Then head into lively local markets filled with rich spice aromas and sample signature southern Thai flavors, from crispy spring rolls to tangy tropical fruits. This morning, head to authentic fishing villages to watch fishermen bring in fresh daily seafood. Stroll through the vibrant seafood market and learn how locals blend unique southern Thai with coconut, chili, and special seasonings. You will discover the core charm of southern Thai cuisine, famous for fresh local seafood and intensely spiced curries. Locals craft distinct flavors ranging from fiery chili pastes to moderately coconut-rich curries, creating bold herbal tastes vastly different from those in central and northern Thailand, while perfectly bringing out the natural sweetness of fresh seafood. For lunch, savor a seaside feast at a beachfront restaurant, where every dish highlights the day's freshest catches. Taste freshly grilled fish, rich seafood curries, and refreshing seafood salads to fully embrace the fresh, salty island flavors. Spend the afternoon at your leisure. Sip fresh coconut water, feel the gentle ocean breeze, and watch as island life unfolds at its own unhurried pace. Today, explore the crystal clear waters around Phuket. Cruise along secluded bays, snorkel above colorful coral gardens, or dive in to spot vibrant tropical marine life. As evening falls, take part in time-honored coastal night fishing for lobsters and squids. After your outing, grill your freshly caught seafood right on the boat to enjoy pure wild seafood delicacies beneath the starry sky. On your final day, fully embrace the island's serenity. Walk along soft, sandy beaches and savor the lingering flavors of spicy southern Thai curries and sweet tropical fruits, collecting precious flavor memories along the way. This 12-day all-round Thai food tour lets you taste diverse regional flavors, gain in-depth knowledge of local ingredients, and experience authentic local dining customs. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. And if you're ready to explore the flavors of Thailand, feel free to reach out via email or phone. We'd love to help you plan your own adventure. See you on the next journey.